already undressed?
Yeah, my dear.
I said let me undress myself so I'll wait for you when you come back.
So what took you so long?
I yet don't understand what manner of whore Lena thinks I am.
What is it?
Did Leonard insult you?
Lena thinks I'm a whore. And I suppose that was why he called me downstairs to make advances to me on my wedding night.
What? Advances to you from my brother Alaska to my newly-wedded wife?
Jefferson, you ain't waking up from these deep Friday winks. I mean, this is your chance. Do it now or never.
Alaska, I know I need to do it. But I know you've got a better plan.
No bats, Jeff. You've been slave all these frustrated years, always ever at his beck and call. You know, be a free man for once and spare the devil the blame.
Holy shit. I needed this act more than you do. Boy, I'm just thinking of the penalty there.
Damn the penalty. You know, cast it to the dry planet and let the devil be your witness. Jefferson, I yearn for total emancipation from this despotism. You know, we need a better life. At least within 1 year, we'll be spending the rest of interesting lives in the Bahamas.
Just chill, baby. Chill. I know what is right for us.
I ain't chilling one bit. Do you know what you have contributed to making Lola a success? Do you know the risks you have taken for Lola? All parts of the perks of working for Lola. Could you explain to me what you are to Lola investment?
Enough of that, Alaska.
Is this how you're going to take care of your kids? Could you just explain to me what you are to Lola investment?
I've had enough.
I don't understand you.
I said I've had enough.
Okay, all right. My goodness.
Let's go.
You really need to come up with something before we go hungry in this country.
Yes, Leo. I'm really thinking. I really want to give the best suggestion.
Jeff, are you telling me that you cannot advise this insurance company on how to invest their premium now that the capital market is in jeopardy?
Yeah. I think we must buy bonds. My reasons are bond has a fixed interest rate.
Okay. Yes. And there are a lot of things I need to learn in this trade, though, you know. Now tell me, who offers bonds on behalf of the government?
The central bank does that.
Serious?
Yeah.
So, what is the role of the government in this capital market?
The essence of government in the capital market is to make bonds.
See, seriously, Jeff, you need to teach me more. You have to give me lectures on this trade.
Yeah, you know, back in school, you studied theater arts, while I studied economics. Economics and theater arts are two parallel lines. So you are the boss, while I'm the brain.
You sound funny. The first line was parallel. Now I am the boss. You're the brain. That's double B. I like the sound of that. But meanwhile, I want to be the boss and also the brain. That's what I want to live.
And what do you mean by that?
So, Jeff, what's up?
I'm good. So, when is the company implementing the new policy?
New policy? That should be next month, in 1 month time. I suppose. The lecture we discussed about, when is it coming up, my lecture?
Whenever you are ready. Because you're the boss.
I always like the sound of that. You're the boss. And like I told you, I want to be the boss and also the brain. That's a double B. You understand? So that I can man my own business, have business secrets like some other insurance company do. You know, make my decision and all that. You know? So you're not picking on this. It's like you don't like this. Where is how do we? What do you care for? Let me.
No, Leo. I'm okay.
You okay?
I'm good.
I don't understand it. Even your.
I'm good, bro.
Jeff, I don't understand. Your face, it's somehow. Anything the matter?
Leo, I was with Barrister Neopolin a few minutes ago, and he made me to know that you bought Quincy Plaza last month.
I did?
But you didn't tell me. Well, Leonard, I cannot detect for you, but I thought this is a company, and most investments should be made in the company's name.
So?
Leo, I've worked for you for 4 years now, but all I see you do is buying investments in your name.
Jeff, what are you doing? Are you trying to hassle my company with me? Are you trying to drag the company with me? Are we now fighting over it?
Leo, I'm tired of picking your slack. And if this is how you want it, I want my own share of the company's word. And I can't take this shit any longer. And if...
If what? If what? So Jeff, do you still consider leaving the company?
Yeah, Leo. That's the reason why I'm here. To get my own share of the company's worth. Could you please explain to me the reason why you are laughing? Or are you trying to make a show of me or what?
Show of me? No. I'm just laughing at your chicken brain. Jeff, if I may ask, have you forgotten that you have no dime? That I personally spent all the money necessary in building up this company. Don't have a farthing.
Oh, is that what you are saying now? That I contributed no dime to the company? But may I remind you, I contributed the policies that boomed this business. And for that, I want you to convert all the currency yielding policies and the years I've spent with you to money and pay me.
Do you know, it's funny. The other day we were talking, you called me Leonard. And now you are talking to me with impunity. I can see the muzzle in you. I can understand. You are now feeling high. You're not showing me your swag. Well, it's all right. If I may ask you, what exactly do you think should be your share of the company?
Whatever that pleases you is my own share of the company's worth.
I see. You said I should calculate. I'm done calculating. And I'm giving you 5%.
What? 5%? What? Brittany, I suppose Leonard told you of our misunderstanding.
Yes, he did.
What did he tell you?
He said he wants your own share of the company.
Did he tell you that you want to give me just 5% of the company's worth?
Jeff, calm down. You misunderstood your brother. Leo wants you to calm down and work with him until the company grows and be innovative. And you have to live with that attitude until the company grows to a remarkable height before you start thinking of leaving.
Brittany, I want you to see it from this angle. Leonard is selfish and thinks of himself alone. I am the brain behind the success of this insurance company. He finances the business policies being made by me. This I know. But what I don't really understand is that whatever property he buys bears his name, not even the company's name. Okay, take for example, the cars, the houses, lands and all.
Calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down. What am I supposed to do?
Calm
What am I supposed to do?
Just calm down.
Okay, fine. You want me to just sit back, relax, and fold my hands and watch him make all the investments himself in his name? And nothing for me? All right. He said that he's going to finance my wedding. And after that, he's going to pay me off with just 5%. What am I going to do with that? Saying I should go and rent an apartment? You understand me? Why I should put the rest in the business? What am I supposed to do with that?
Calm down.
After all I've done for the company?
But here is intact. It shows that the murderer is inside this house. I see. Manchester. Manchester. How many people smoke in this house?
Jefferson is the only person that smokes in this house.
Jeff, let's go to your room.
What are you saying? No. It could be Brittany. You don't just suspect my husband, okay? It could be Brittany, you know? Not my husband.
I will lead the way, ma.
What are you saying? You can't just suspect my husband.
Relax.
Okay,
Let's go to your
babe,
room.
just calm down. Let's go. I know it's Brittany. It can't just be my husband, okay? Okay, I don't know why you're suspecting my husband.
Let's go.
Okay, baby, let's go. But I know we are innocent. I know we've not done anything.
I did not.
The four cardinal points seems to be meeting on my head. The east becomes west and the north becomes south. It's been a day and few hours and I've not set my eyes on you. Mama, you know the wedding was somehow stressful, so I took a deep sleep. And when I woke up, I saw Leo lying in his own pool of blood, Mama.
You're my son.
I was speechless. I didn't talk to anybody, but I hurried to the Central Police Office. When I got there, I saw the CRO at the charge room and I laid my complaint. The matter was taken to the Divisional Crime Officer. The DCO and the DPO came with 2 detectives. And from their observations, Mama, they found out that Leo was murdered by somebody in this house. Because the door was right broken. Mama. Jefferson was arrested because his brand of cigar was found in this room, in our room.
You're my son.
And since I moved to this house, Jefferson hasn't entered our room. So how come his cigar was in our room, Mama?
Hey! What of Alaska?
Alaska claims to be innocent of the whole scenario. She was arrested with jail. But she has been granted bail.
My son, Leonard. He has dead his daily dread. Is Alaska here?
Alaska left for Sheila's house.
Go and get me my drugs. Go and get me my drugs.
Okay.
Sheila, I know you've heard what happened. I'll be staying in your house for the meantime.
I was even coming over to meet you at your house, but I thank God you are here.
What is it to thank God about?
Everything, Alaska. Everything. But why did Jeff involve in this? Brittany said you planned it alongside with Jeff.
Sheila, you ain't believing me. I didn't do it. Neither did Jefferson. Our hands are clean.
If you didn't do it, then who did?
I suppose that's a question you meant to ask the dead Leonard, who was the only witness of his murder. Our hands are clean.
Holy shit.
See, Sheila, if anyone was to stab Leo, not me, although Leonard frustrated me, you know, you won't understand. Leonard and I were really in love. It all started like this. I saw love in its bloom. I wished it never wrecked. It was really fun. Cruising around with someone you loved, exchanging love promises, wishing it would last. Life remained so pleasant that I never wished a minute death. As the day chameleoned tonight, I knew the sweet evening was going to end. I smelled it. Doomsday was near. My feminine heart turned, the heart that had known no heartbreak. It all changed to a dreadful dream when I got the result of my third pregnancy. I never knew I was building castle in the air. All through, I have always heed to his impious words to get rid of the unlucky creature. I never knew I was the fool led by the rule.
You have to do exactly what I said. Listen, you have to abort the baby. Because I'm not ready to father your child for now.
But why, Leonard? Remember, it's me, Alaska. Can't I be a good wife to you?
I can't father your baby.
This is the third time. You promised to marry me. Had you forgotten? Have you?
Alaska. Alaska, not all promises are meant to be fulfilled. Well, as a matter of fact, I can't keep this any longer. It is not supposed to be a secret for now. I am engaged to Brittany.
What?
Yes, Brittany, you heard me right. My fiancée. And she's coming back from Kenya very soon for the white wedding.
How could you give your love to someone else and share your dreams with me? Why did you go on date with me? To frustrate me? What happens to me, Leonard? What am I supposed to do with my life? Sit back and give birth to a bastard? No! No!
Alaska, I will do something for you. I cannot leave you empty-handed. Maybe I will give you a check. I'll give you money, something, you know, for you to take care of yourself. You can do something with it. I know you are a very smart and brilliant woman, Alaska. You know what to do with the money. Maybe I'll give you a check and, you know, you can take care of yourself. I know you're a very smart and brilliant woman. Maybe you can settle from there.
You are such a big, fat devil! You disgust me, Leonard. But why me, Leonard? I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this.
Big fat devil. Yeah, that's why.
Where is your conscience? Where is your conscience? Oh my God. Well, I felt so dismayed, mystified. It was awful. I left Leonard to face what fate had for me. Later on, after 6 months, I received a call from Leonard. He was inviting me for his wedding. I said nothing but to wish him well. That day Leonard was murdered, I knew the gods decided to pay him with his own coin.
Are you trying to tell me that you knew Leonard before Jeff?
Yes, I do. 2 fucking years, 3 criminal abortion. I had serious complication in the last abortion and Leonard was invited to sign for hysterectomy. He did it without remorse.
Alaska, what? Hysterectomy? Whoa. You mean you got no womb? You lost your womb to that bastard? That's pathetic, Alaska. But was that why you and Jeff murdered you?
Sheila, believe me, I didn't do it. We are innocent. We didn't do it.
Yes. You're welcome. Come inside.
Thank you, but let's just stay here and discuss it over.
You sounded so nervous on the phone. I hope there's no problem.
There's a big problem, Sharon. There's really a big problem. I'm faced with so much difficulty that I don't know how to go about it. My sister's husband, Alaska, has been accused of murder.
I already know about it.
You already know?
Yes, I know.
But can you help us?
Sheila, my hands are tied by the law. But I'll see what I can do. If Jeff is found guilty, I can't help.
Please, try to do something, okay? Please, I beg you in the name of God, Sharon. Try to help us out. Try to save us out of this difficult situation. God.
I'm sorry.
Sharon. Sharon.
Mama.
If you will listen to my voice, it will be to our own favor.
I'm listening, Ma.
If you feel my pain as a mother, you will know what it means to lose 2 sons. I have lost you already. If I lose Jeff, I have lost all. And my husband is no more, so I cannot give birth. Brittany,
Mama.
I understand your pain. I do. I really understand your pain. Brittany, I suggest we organize Leo's burial, so we can perform some traditional rites and cleanse the family of this abomination.
With due respect, Mama, the dead deserves justice, and I'm going to give that to Leo.
Who talks about justice? I mean, who ought to have justice? Brittany, you speak of justice? When Leonard knew he was engaged to you and he lured me to committing 3 criminal abortions, followed with complications that led to his hysterectomy. You know what? Leonard was bad, but the gods paid him with his own coin. He has been invited for a lingering supper beneath the earth. So, let's leave the living to enjoy. You guys are bothering Jeff.
As regards to the police investigation?
Well, the autopsy result is out.
What did the pathologist say?
The pathologist said that your husband was murdered with a poisoned knife.
You're my husband.
You have been given an authority by the police to go ahead and bury your husband. Super Raymond has passed a file through Directorate of Public Prosecution soon.
That means we are going to court.
Yes. Have you done any other investigation?
Alaska confessed that Jeff killed my husband.
Do you have any evidence to that?
No, but my mother-in-law was there.
Well, Jeff would be found guilty if the forensic test reveals his handprints. I'm leaving.
Okay, my dear.
Good day.
Mama, how you doing? How is your health?
I'm not feeling any better, according to doctor's report. Besides, Leonard, your brother, will be buried next week. We have been granted the authority to bury him by the police. I'm not weeping now that I'm going out to bury my son. But I'll weep for you, Jeff. You know why? Because you sold your soul to the devil. You allowed the devil to use you. Your so-called wife, Alaska, confessed. Why the shock? She said she dated Leo. And Leo pushed her to committing 3 criminal abortions, followed by complications that led to hysterectomy.
You mean Alaska got no womb?
Not only that she has no womb, but you know she dated Leo for 2 years.
What? Alaska, they telling you?
Yes. And she said you, Jefferson, thought you fought for yourself, but you fought for her. And now she has gotten her own pound of flesh at everyone's expense. I met with Lawyer Wesley yesterday.
And what did he say?
He said we should just pray, so that the case will be to our own favor. If the forensic test does not reveal your handprints, that means we are free. But what if it does? Jefferson, what if it does? Lord have mercy.
I met with Lawyer Wesley.
Alaska, I never knew I was just a fool.
What are you saying?
You dated Leona for 2 years and you kept it a secret and you never told me.
Yes, I did. But can we talk about this in the next 72 hours?
Please, don't use my brain further.
I am sorry, Jeff. But can we focus on our common interest?
And what is our common interest, Alaska?
I met with Lawyer Wesley and he gave me 100% assurance to get you out of this place in the next 72 hours. Jefferson, I am sorry. I said I was gonna tell you about my relationship with your brother. Yes, I said I was gonna tell you that I dated your brother. I am sorry.
So Leonard dated Alaska. Alaska came to my family to revenge.